Hello YouTube, welcome by Dutch Video Shooter. My name is Victor Bart and I'm in London right now, and let's go to the BVExpo. And the BVExpo is a camera and broadcast show. Here's my hotel and here's the expo. I'm in on the BVE show and I got a nice sticker.
Yeah, my name's Mike Tapper, owner of MTF Services. We make lens adapters. One of the things that a lot of people have asked for since the release of the Fujinon lens, was there an option to use it on other cameras? And I found that it is possible to take the E-mount off, and what I've done is designed a replacement mount, which is micro four thirds. If you've got a Fujinon lens, you can get a micro four third mount. All you need to do is take out the 4 screws, remove the E-mount, put our micro four third mount on, put the 4 screws back in, job done.
I stole the rig of Dan Chung and he is using the Fujinon lens on the GH5s with an Tomas recorder with a nice big battery solution from Hawkwood and a Sakuto GH5 cage. A really nice, perfect solution.
I'm not filming you. You are holding the line.
Samyang, the new 50mm f1.2 XP in Canon EF mount. It's brand new. We're very lucky to have it at the show. I took it out last night and just took a few shots with it. And yeah, at wide open apertures, it just pops off the page. So yeah, optically very, very good. We've got the multi-coated elements in there, low dispersion glass. It is manual focus, yeah. So as with the other XP lenses, we've got the contacts on the back to relay aperture information and EXIF data. So you would control the aperture using the dials on the camera. I've got to admit, at 1.2 it's quite shallow. You would expect it to be, but when you nail the focus, it's pin sharp, even wide open. We expect delivery next month. This is actually a pre-production one. The resolving power of these lenses on high megapixel sensors is outstanding.
Vela Bloom is going to do a talk on stage.
It's a shame you aren't all using A7Ss and could have it in darkness. Some people will understand what, like GH5 users down at the front here, will go, I need the light, leave it up, make it brighter, I need 4 more stops. I'm sorry, whenever Victor is over from the Netherlands, I pick on him. But he makes it easy by sitting in the front. He never learns. Ability to work in lower light conditions, unlike Victor. My parents have 4K cameras. Thank you very much.
We've got the Kinefinity Terra 4K. So it's small, it's raw and ProRes, it's affordable, and it's tiny. Sort of a competitor for the Blackmagic, but better in low light and does 4K RAW up to 100 frames a second. No, it's smaller, so it's 1.85 times crop. So it's not as small as Micro Four Thirds, and they make a speed booster lens mount to get down to 1.3 times. So you can get around it. It's got a Kine mount natively on it to put a whole range of their adapters on to adapt to pretty much whatever you want. So there's PL, EF, ND, Nikon F, E-mount, which is what's on it now. You get EF or PL with ND built into the lens mount. You get EF with a speed booster built in, so there's tons and tons of options.
And also check out Pro AV on YouTube.
Yes, we do YouTube stuff too.
Yeah. And it's pretty good.
What's the best one?
Yeah, what's your favorite or your favorite one?
I was pretty pleased with the C200 stuff. The video review for this is going to be good. I went to Iceland. It did rain the entire time, but went to Iceland. That was pretty cool.
Winterlake from New Shooter. I'm now shooting on the Sigma 60mm f1.4 lens. And it is a native Micro Four Third prime with autofocus. That's cool.
No, he isn't here. No, he is.
And what, I'm that red? My face isn't that red today.
Essentially 2000 frames a second at 1080 or 500 frames a second at 4K resolution. Compact, self-contained, up to 2 minutes of high-speed internal memory for recording. USB 3 port to download to a PC. The cost is £5,000. Lens mount native is Micro Four Thirds, but because it's a very small flange, it can be adapted to most lens types. So it's a UK product, designed and developed and sold in the UK, and you can visit our website at thesmallmotioncameracompany.com.
So we are Motion Tribe, collaborative rental platforms. We allow our members to put their gear online and to make it work for them. So basically they can win money with their camera while they're not using it. And on the other hand, if you are renters, you can come on the platform and find all the gear you need. And if you don't find what you need, we'll basically go to the community and ask them to put it online so you'll have what's needed for your next shooting. You can find more info on www.motiontribe.io.
Picture for on Tinder. Back in the hotel. So that was day one of the BVExpo. It was not that big, but I talked to a lot of people, so I probably didn't shoot that much. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video, subscribe and help me to 1000 subscribers on my channel. And of course leave a comment. And you can check out my main channel, Retro Machine.